In the event that you are endeavoring to diminish your body weight rapidly and are searching for the best thing? Given this is critical, by then you can lean toward VidaTone Keto supplement to get positive outcomes. This thing isn't to open available to be picked up in retail locations, and you can coordinate from online segments. VidaTone Keto diet is open, alive and well. It is known as the dynamic bounce forward condition, made for clients who grab the chance to accomplish unlimited prospering and physical makeup. We have included the supplement link in the description box. What is VidaTone Keto? VidaTone Keto diet is a revolutionary dietary supplement that is an awesome remedy to lose weight. Its active ingredient triggers the process of healthy ketosis with the BHB molecule in the body. Ketosis allows the burning of fat as a source of fat rather than burning body carbs for energy. This supplement works actively on the known ketosis process, which gets triggered with its active, powerful natural ingredients. Ketosis mainly gets elevated with the BHB molecule present in our product. Ketosis breaks fats to produce the required energy and does not burn carbs instead. Ingredients of VidaTone Keto: Garcinia cambogia, raspberry ketones, minerals, nutrients, chromium, calcium, green tea extracts, caffeine, potassium, chlorogenic acid. Benefits of VidaTone Keto: cuts excessive body fat from the body. It helps the body gain lean muscle mass. Improves the digestive system. Improves immunity. Boosts energy and strength in the body. Checks mood swings and constipation. It improves metabolic rate in the body. Cons of VidaTone Keto: just accessible online to purchase. Not for minors. Not for pregnant women. Not for lactating moms. Moreover, how to take the supplement: see the instructions in the manual and follow it carefully and regularly to get the results. Take 2 pills of VidaTone Keto twice a day. Take in empty stomach. Take it with lots of water, better with boiled and then cooled water. Take pills before lunch and before dinner. Do not mix with any other health supplement. Take regularly and properly for better results. Conclusion: this is a progressive weight reduction around the world. Since it utilizes fat to produce vitality as the primary source, this added substance is extraordinary. You will probably function admirably in light of the fact that ketos will improve your psychological state. Your psyche progresses toward becoming peaceful and your life winds up more joyful. So if you want to order Formax Lean, check the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.